It took us about 2 hours to decorate the whole place. Money-wise, we spent about $55, which approximates to about 150 lari. We had to buy a background, a red cloth that you see in the background, and one of our co-workers lended us her antique candle holder.
Hi guys, so right now we're doing a makeup for her. We're going to apply a big scar on her face. Just now she already prepped her face and put on her makeup. Yep, and first we're gonna use the liquid latex to create some kind of a scar effect on her face. And I made myself a DIY palette behind here. And make it really thin. We already prepared some thin little tissue papers. Try to put the latex on the corner as well so it sticks on the skin. And some people will be allergic to latex, so before you put on this, please try it on your arms. And right now we're just gonna wait for it to dry up, and then later on we're gonna apply the same color foundation on her. So now the latex and tissues are all dry, we're going to cut a little scar on the surface of here. Now we have a big hole. Have the scar open up. Try to cut off some of the edges as well. And because the scar is on her jawline, so I'm gonna add a little bit more latex and create a bone effect in there. So first we're gonna choose a slightly darker color on the very edge of the scar. It should be darker than the other color, so I'll apply it here and on the very edge too. Okay, next step, we're gonna fill in the scar colors. Continue with darker inside. And you want it to be outside, a little bit of darker outside around it. Some orangey tone. Over again to create another type of color, mixing through it. The stuff we use today, it's mostly you can get it anywhere, like lipstick, eyeshadow. The only special thing will be latex, liquid latex. But that is really cheap. It's a really good makeup for Halloween, really fun. It's easy to do. I like this kind of really bright red. Okay, a little bit more red here. This is the fake blood that we're gonna use. Do more realistic falling. See the gravity.
Actually, like if you have kind of like a lot of blood, I think maybe you could just pour it in and
yes, I will.
Yeah.
But I feel like you should do that effect when we're shooting it. It will be a really nice effect. Turn around.
Hi guys, this is Bella with you. Welcome to my live. And today we're going to do something really interesting.
For the candles going out, we actually did it by hand. Our cameraman used a light diffuser to kind of blow wind on the candles, and we also used 2 lights to make the going out effect even more prominent than it is.
What? Candles?
To do the decapitation effect, we need a green screen. The reason to use green screen is because it doesn't match any natural skin tone, so it makes cutting out the head or even the whole body very easy. For the blood effect, we used tracking of blood footage that we previously found, and we also added in some shading to make it look more natural. We used masking to light the candles back up. We use the Adobe Premiere for the editing, and then we use Adobe After Effects to add the blood effect. If you do not have this kind of effect, you can do the blood manually. In this case, you will need to use a syringe and an IV tube to manually pump the blood from the wound.